Bembe on the roof, I start tomorrow night. And Romain, Mr. Baker here, one of the promoters, plus him own offshore. So he can give some more details about security that chip in and what the event.
Okay. Yes, Angel. So Bembe from back then, so we are coming back with a new flavor, new everything, for our first, hearing tomorrow, Thursday. We're gonna have triplets. You're familiar with triplets, right? One of Jamaica's biggest man. The man full of vibes is a shame.
I can tell you.
Yes, man. So lots of prizes and surprises, man.
Okay.
Trust me, it like a shot.
Okay. All right.
And we have a great team of work right now. We have security on point. So we're gonna have the security team. We're gonna have a few police here. Just to make sure that everything is.
So primarily, you just need us to use our sleepers just in case.
Yes, exactly.
So I love that concept then. So we could have make the sleepers them like whisper and camouflage, blend in with the crowd as dancers, waiter, that kind of vibe there.
Perfect. And whisper even love the dancing.
Me noticed that. Yeah.
Wayne. Yeah, me need to forget me a recent picture of Savage. Send it to my main phone.